Hi, it is time to talk about Lesson 71, Division, answers ending with 0, practice set. Let's begin. We know that 3 can't go into 1. It's too small, but we know that we can definitely divide 12 can be divided by 3 4 times. So we say 4 times 3 is 12. We subtract that and we get 0. Now, we can't stop here, and that's the point of this lesson, is we have to use all of the digits in the division box before we're to consider ourselves finished. So I pull down my 0. 3 can go into 0 and 0 times. And so we know that 3 can be divided, 120 can be divided by 3 40 times. And let me show you how we're going to just do a quickie check. We multiply this. 3 times 0 is 0. 4 times 3 is 12. So hence we want to remember our zeros. Let's go to our next one. I'm going to scroll down just a little. 4 can go into 24 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. We subtract, we get a 0. We pull down our 0. 0 can be divided by 4 0 times, and our answer is 60. Here's 152 divided by 5, and I already can tell you it's going to have a remainder, because if it doesn't end in a 0 or a 5, then we know it's not fully divisible by 5. We'll have remainders. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Now I subtract. I say 0. I pull down my 2. 2 cannot be divided by 5. And so I say 0 and remainder 2. See where we're going on this? Let's look at 121 divided by 4. We know that 12 can be divided by 4 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. We subtract, we get 0. We pull down our 1. 1 cannot be divided by 4. So that's how it is. And that gives us our remainder of 1. 91 divided by 3. We already know this is going to have a remainder. So we know that 3 times 3 is 9. We subtract, get 0. We pull down the 1. 1 cannot be divided by 3, so we put it there, 0. We put our 0, gives us our 0 after we do all our subtracting. The remainder is 1. And finally, we know that this is going to have a remainder as well, because for anything to be evenly divided, it has to end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, not 1. So 4 can be divided by 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. We subtract, we follow our steps, we pull down the 1. 1 cannot be divided by 2. So after all of that, we know that our remainder is 1. And there you have it. You will be doing lots more. If you have any problems or troubles, give me a shout out. But I wish you well, and good luck on the homework.